Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we learn English sentences for daily use. If you like this video, you must hit like the button and don't forget to subscribe my channel for more videos. So without wasting of time, let's begin. Where do you live? I live in England. I live in England. Where do you come from? I come from Canada. I come from Canada. Where are you from? I am from India. I am from India. When and where were you born? I was born in 1984 in London. I was born in 1984 in London. Where did you go? I went shopping with my family. I went shopping with my family. Can you give me your phone number? No, I don't give my number to anyone. No, I don't give my number to anyone. What's your name? My name is Jack. My name is Jack. What's your job? I teach English at high school. I teach English at the high school. What's your first name? My first name is Brian. My first name is Brian. What do you think about this book? I think the book is very interesting. I think the book is very interesting. May I open the window? Certainly, it's very hot today. Certainly, it's very hot today. What's your address? I stay at 7th Street. I stay at 7th Street. Do you have an email ID? Yes, I have email. Yes, I have email. What's the weather like? It's raining heavily at the moment. It's raining heavily at the moment. May I help you? No thanks, I'm just looking around. No thanks, I'm just looking around. What do you do? I am an accountant. I am an accountant. What do you do on holiday? I like playing football, reading and listening to music. I like playing football, reading and listening to music. How can I help you? Yes, I'm looking for a shirt. Yes, I'm looking for a shirt. वीडियो पसंद आई हो तो इस तरह की मज़ीद वीडियोज़ के लिए मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दें। मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में। अल्लाह हाफिज़।